a place that is naturally beautiful? A place where all is well, there is no loss nor distractions, and there are no changes on how we see the natural environment. Of course you are. But it's sad to witness the opposite in reality. Everything has changed. The place that we have known have changed already. It looks like we live in a different place where we can't feel safe anymore. This doesn't only affect us humans. The homes of the animals are lost in the process as well. But what is habitat loss, by the way? We define habitat as the natural shelters or environment for plants, animals, and other organisms. Habitat loss, on the other hand, is also called habitat destruction. It happened when we tend to destroy the natural shelters for wildlife. Trees and plants were completely removed and landscapes were changed instantly. There is also habitat fragmentation that occurs when we convert the woodlands and other natural areas into roads and places of attractions that confuses the animals and ruin their natural ways of living. There is also habitat degradation, happened when habitats were destroyed caused by the pollution in air, water, and land that allows other species that are not part of the ecosystem to invade other areas. Are we going to let this happen? We humans can do something. We can combat this habitat loss and destruction. We can save our natural environment. We can protect the wildlife. Let us preserve the natural resources and use them properly without destroying the habitats. Let us all value the importance of biodiversity and be aware on the things that might cause habitat destruction. Let us all start putting efforts in rebuilding and replacing what are lost. Together, we can make it. We can bring back the natural beauty of our environment. We can restore the natural resources and we can rebuild the natural habitats for plants, animals, and other organisms. We can make it possible. Together.